Hey everybody, Attorney Walter Hnot, your favorite manure shoveling attorney. Here it comes. Here's the bottom line. Today, I have to go ahead and cut up this pile and that pile, and I got to do it within a pretty short period of time because I have to get to other work as well. Once I get those done, I put them into the bucket of the tractor being right over, boop, right there, and then that goes all the way down to the bottom of the road, puts it by the entrance, and then over time, people put it into the trash bins. Now, with that said, it is freezing cold. I am Sherpa'd up. As you can see, Amazon has a lot of good stuff like, oh, that's not the one, that one right there, boom. So I'm gonna go ahead and get working. I'll catch you a little bit later. We'll do some time-lapse footage videos, make things good. Even so, it's so cold, I can already feel myself getting out of breath. I will catch you a little bit later. We'll rock on. Please go and check it out. It's on Google, the Marble Mountain Horse Estate. Again, the Marble Mountain Horse Estate. And we always love those stars, so you know how it is. I will catch you a little bit later. You have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. All right, check out the videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.